Hello, welcome to Proggy. So today we'll be showing you how to whitelist a particular website from an ad blocker. In our case, it is uBlock Origins. So let's see how to do it. In this example, we have shown you USA Today's website. So it can be any website. Sometimes websites, refuse to get loaded properly if the ad block is running. It can be a non-news channel also, a non-news website or something also. It depends. So you have to go to this particular icon, uBlock Origin in red, click it, and here you are seeing a big blue button. You have to just click it. If you click it, it will remember that you don't want the ad blocker to run on USA Today website. So if you reload it, let's see what happens. You can see the uBlock Origins is now grayed out, right? And the ads are coming. So that works. So now you have successfully disabled your ad blocker on this particular website. Hope that helps. Thank you.